Welcome to Tanu Science. In this video, we'll learn the answers from Chapter 6 Nuclear Physics of Class 10th Science. First part, choose the correct answer. First question, man-made radioactivity is also known as induced radioactivity and artificial radioactivity. So the man-made radioactivity known as induced radioactivity and artificial radioactivity. So option D is the right answer. A and C. Question number 2. Unit of radioactivity is Rontgen, Curie, Becquerel. All the above. So option D is the right answer. Third one, artificial radioactivity was discovered by dash. Marie Curie. Option B is the right answer. Fourth one, in which of the following no change in mass number of the daughter nuclei takes place? In alpha decay, mass number decreases by 4, but in beta decay, only atomic number increases by 1, but mass number no change in beta decay. So option 2. Next, in gamma decay, no change in atomic number and mass number. So mass number எதில் சேஞ்ச் ஆகாதுன்னு சொன்னால் பீட்டா டிகேல சேஞ்ச் ஆகாது, காமா டிகேல சேஞ்ச் ஆகாது. அப்போ ஆப்ஷன் எதுன்னு சொன்னால் செகண்ட் ஆப்ஷன். ஆப்ஷன் பி இஸ் த ரைட் ஆன்சர். ஸோ நோ சேஞ்ச் இன் மாஸ் செகண்ட் அண்ட் தேர்ட். ஸோ செகண்ட் மீன்ஸ் பீட்டா டிகேலையும் காமா டிகேலையும் மாஸ் நம்பர் சேஞ்ச் ஆகாது. நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஷின் நம்பர் 5. Dash isotope is used for the treatment of cancer. Radio Gopal. Option B is the right answer. Next, sixth one. Gamma radiations are dangerous because it produces genetic disorder. Option C is the right answer. Seventh one. Dash aprons are used to protect us from gamma radiations. Option C is the right answer. Next, eighth one. Which of the following statements is or are correct? Alpha particles are photons. This is false, not correct. Alpha particles are helium. Penetrating power of gamma radiation is very low but very high. So this one also wrong one. Ionization power is maximum for alpha rays. This is correct statement. Penetrating power of gamma radiation is very high. This one also correct statement. So according to the question, correct statements are third and fourth. So that third and fourth in D option. So option D is the right answer. Third and fourth are correct. Next, question number 9. Proton-proton chain reaction is an example of nuclear fusion. Option C is the right answer. Next, question number 10. In the nuclear reaction, X612 gives alpha decay YZA, the value of A and Z. A is nothing but mass number, Z is nothing but atomic number. In alpha decay, this atomic number decreases by 2. So decreases by 2 means 6 minus 2, 4. So that Z becomes 4. Then this mass number 12 decreases by 4. So 12 minus 4 is 8. So A becomes 8. So A is 8 and B 4. A is 8 and Z is 4. So option B is the right answer. Next, 11th one. Kamini reactor is located at Kalpakkam. Option A is the right answer. 12th one. Which of the following is or are correct? Chain reactions takes place in a nuclear reactor and an atomic bomb. So this is correct statement. The chain reaction in a nuclear reactor is controlled. This is also correct statement. But the chain reaction in a nuclear reactor is not controlled. This is wrong statement. Fourth option. No chain reaction takes place in an atom bomb. So this one also wrong statement. So correct statements first and second. So option B is the right answer. First Roman letter and second Roman letter are correct. Second part, fill in the blanks. 1 Ranjan is equal to dash integration per second. That is 1 Ranjan is nothing but 2.58 into 10 power minus 4 coulomb kilogram inverse. Positron is an antiparticle of electron. Antiparticle of electron. Third one, anemia can be cured by dash isotope. Radio iron 59 isotope. Fourth one, abbreviation of ICRP. I for International, C for Commission on, R for Radiological, P for Protection. International Commission on Radiological Protection. Fifth one, dash is used to measure exposure rate of radiation in humans, dosimeter. Sixth one, dash has the greatest penetration power. Gamma rays. Gamma ray has the greatest penetration power. Seventh one, YZA gives Z plus 1 YA plus X, then X is nothing but beta particle, because here atomic number increases by 1. The atomic number increases by 1, that is beta particle would be emitted. So the X will be beta particle. Eighth one, XZA gives YZA. This reaction is possible in gamma decay because no change in atomic number and in the mass number. So this is gamma decay. Ninth one, the average energy released in each fusion reaction is about 3.814 into 10 power minus 12 joule. Next, 10th one, nuclear fusion is possible only at an extremely high temperature of the order of 10 power 7 to 10 power 9 Kelvin. 11th one, the radioisotope of dash helps to increase the productivity of crops. So phosphorus 32, P32. 12th one, if the radiation exposure is 100 Ranjan, it may cause blood cancer. Next, third Roman letter, state whether the following statements are true or false. If false, correct the statement. First one, plutonium-239 is a fissionable material. This is true. Second one, elements having atomic number greater than 83 can undergo nuclear fusion. False. Greater than 83 can undergo nuclear fission. Third one, nuclear fusion is more dangerous than nuclear fission. True. Fourth one, natural uranium U-238 is a core fuel used in a nuclear reactor. False. Correct statement is uranium-235. Fifth one, if a moderator is not present, then a nuclear reactor will behave as an atom bomb. Moderator, this is false. So moderator should not come here. Control rods. Sixth one, during one nuclear fission, on an average 2 to 3 neutrons are produced. This is true. Seventh one, Einstein's theory of mass energy equivalence is used in nuclear fission and fusion. True. Fourth Roman letter, match the following: B, A or C. This is located in Mumbai. India's first atomic power station, Tarapur. IG car located in Kalpakkam. First nuclear reactor in India, Apsara. Next, match 2. Fuel is uranium. Moderator is heavy water. Coolant, this is control rods. So instead of coolant, control rods should come. So control rods is cadmium rods. Shield, it is made up of lead. Match third one. Saudi-Fajan explains displacement law. Arene Curie explains artificial radioactivity. Henry Becquerel explains natural radioactivity. Albert Einstein explains mass energy equivalence. Match 4. Uncontrolled fission reaction. Uncontrolled fission reaction, it is in atom bomb. Fertile material breeder reactor. Controlled fission reaction in nuclear reactor. Fusion reaction in hydrogen bomb. Next, match 5. Cobalt 60, it is used in leukemia. Iodine 131, it is used in thyroid disease. Sodium 24, it is used in function of art. Carbon 14, it is used in age of fossil. Next, fifth Roman letter. Arrange the following in the correct sequence. Arrange in descending order on the basis of their penetration power. So gamma rays has high penetration power first. So we have to write the descending order. So அதிகத்திலிருந்து கம்மியாக ரைட் பண்ண போனோம். ஸோ காமா ரேக்கு அதிகமாக இருக்கும் பெனிட்ரேட்டிங் பவர். நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து பீட்டா ரேஸ்க்கு வந்து அதிகமாக இருக்கும் செகண்டு. நெக்ஸ்ட் எதுக்கு அதிகமாக வரும்னு சொன்னால் ஆல்ஃபா ரேஸ். தேர்ட் வந்து ஆல்ஃபா ரேஸ்க்கு அதிகமாக இருக்கும். ஸோ லாஸ்ட்டாக வந்து காஸ்மிக் ரேஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மியாக இருக்கும் பெனிட்ரேஷன் பவர். அதனால் அது 4th. 1 2 3 4. Next, second one, arrange the sequence. Arrange the following in the chronological order of discovery. So chronological order means அதாவது வருஷத்தோட அடிப்படையில் ஆண்டின் அடிப்படையில் நம்ம வரிசைப்படுத்தணும். ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து இயர் மென்ஷன் பண்ணலாம். நியூக்ளியர் ரியாக்டர் எப்போ கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்கன்னா 1942. ரேடியோ ஆக்டிவிட்டி எப்போ கண்டுபிடிச்சா 1896 இயரில். ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் ரேடியோ ஆக்டிவிட்டி எப்போ கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்கன்னா 1934. டிஸ்கவரி ஆஃப் ரேடியம் எப்போன்னு சொன்னால் 1898. So the based on the years. So that is chronological order. So first one is 1896, that is radioactivity. Second one is discovery of radium, 1898. Third one is artificial radioactivity, 1934. So this one third. Next, nuclear reactor, that is 1942. So this is fourth one. So first one radioactivity, second one discovery of radium, third one artificial radioactivity, fourth one nuclear reactor. Next Roman letter, use the analogy to fill in the blank. First one, spontaneous process is natural radioactivity. Induced process is artificial radioactivity. Nuclear fusion, that is extreme temperature. Nuclear fission at room temperature. Third one, increasing crops radiophosphorus. Effective functioning of heart radiosodium. Fourth one, deflected by electric field alpha ray, null deflection in gamma ray. Next one, assertion and reason type questions. Eighth Roman letter, mark the correct choice as. Here given 4 choice, we have to mark the correct choice for the given assertion and reason type questions. So first assertion reason, a neutron impinging on uranium-235 splits it to produce barium and krypton. Reason, uranium-235 is a fissile material. So assertion correct, reason correct, then reason explains assertion. So according to that, option A is the right answer. If both the assertion and the reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion, so option A is the correct choice for first assertion reason. Second one, assertion, in a beta decay the neutron number decreases by 1. True. In beta decay atomic number increases by 1. True. Assertion, reason both are true, but reason doesn't explain assertion, so that is in option B. If both the assertion and the reason are true, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion, so option B is the correct choice for second one. Next, third one, assertion reason. Extreme temperature is necessary to execute nuclear fusion. True. Reason, in a nuclear fusion, the nuclei of the reactants combine, releasing high energy. True. Assertion and reason both are correct. Reason explains assertion. So option A is a right choice. A. So A only are given. A is both the assertion and the reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. So that for third one, answer is A. Fourth one, assertion, control rods are known as neutron seeking rods. True. Reason, control rods are used to perform sustained nuclear fission reaction. True. Assertion and reason both are true. Reason explains assertion. So option A is the correct choice. Thank you, students.